class. Today I am going to teach you an important topic, the circulatory system. First of all, a question arises, what is circulatory system? Circulatory system is the system that circulates the blood and lymph into the body. The discovery of circulatory system is done by William Harvey. Now, what are the different parts of circulatory system? These are blood, blood vessels and heart. What is blood? Blood is a type of connective tissue. As we know, blood is red in nature, red in color, while it have basic nature. It is mesodermal in origin. While we talk about composition of blood, blood can be classified in two types, plasma and blood corpuscles. What is plasma? A plasma is the liquid or water present in the blood. Blood corpuscles can be further classified in three types, RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC stands for red blood cells, while the function of RBC is to carry oxygen from lungs to the different parts of body and bring back the carbon dioxide to the lungs. WBC stands for white blood cells. WBC is a part of our immune system as it protects us from various harmful viruses. For example, when you get fever, you take the medicine. And what does the medicine do? It increases the antigen in our body, which helps to fight against different type of viruses with support of WBC. Thus, WBC act as a fighter for the human body. Blood platelets. What is blood platelets? Blood platelets are nothing but they are colorless cell fragment of blood which helps in blood clotting, which prevent bleeding. For example, when you get injured while playing, from a particular part of your body blood comes out, while after some time when you notice the blood doesn't come out, it gets clotted. Now, what is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is nothing but the blood platelets. This is the function of blood platelets. Blood vessels. Now, what are blood vessels? Blood vessels are the ducts or tubes through which blood circulates in the body. Blood vessels can be classified in three types, arteries, veins and blood capillaries. Arteries. Arteries are the type of blood vessels which away which carries the blood away from the heart, while veins push the blood back to the heart, and the blood capillaries is the smallest blood vessels. That forms the connection between arteries and veins. The primary function of the blood capillaries are the exchange of materials between blood and tissues. Heart. What is heart? Heart is a pumping machine. It is made up of cardiac muscles. Its shape is similar to a triangle. It is tilted toward left. It have four chambers: right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. And one of the interesting fact for our heart is that it beats up to 6200 times per minute. As the complex part of circulatory system is that how does the blood circulates in human body. As you can see in the diagram, the deoxygenated blood or the blood that contain carbon dioxide enters in the right auricle of heart through superior vena cava. It is deoxygenated blood. Here, right auricle sends the deoxygenated blood to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. Here, right ventricle sends all the collected blood to the lungs to purify the blood through the help of pulmonary arteries. Now, the lungs purify the blood through adding oxygen in it. While the blood gets purified, lungs send all the purified blood to the left auricle through the help of pulmonary veins. And when the blood gets collected in the left auricle sends the blood to the left ventricle through help of bicuspid valve. And when all the blood gets purified, the left ventricle sends all the blood to the human body, different parts of the body through aorta, and this cycle repeats. That's how the blood circulates in the human body. I think the concept of circulatory system is now clear. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.